Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, where we take sewing machines, open them up, and then do a video on every page of the manual. So today I start in on the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine. Now this is the first of the Ambition line. There's a total of 3 different models, and so it's a great way to learn what the differences between each of the models is. If you already own this machine, well, voila, you're going to learn everything from A to Z and back again, every corner of this machine. And if you're thinking of purchasing this machine, these videos can help you determine, does this machine have the right features for you? And then work with your local Pfaff retailer to get this machine purchased. So I can't wait to show you all the cool things that we have in store and that are included with this machine. Now behind me are some of our quilts from our Stitching Cosmos online course. We do have a couple online courses. I'll hope you'll visit sewingmastery.com, click on /courses. You can check out all of our options. We have embroidery courses. We have a Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course. This quilt is the one you actually make with me and you can do it on this machine. We're going to go through 25 different sewing techniques and 18 different presser feet. So if you want to take this machine and expand on it, you'll have to check those out. And I'm going to give you a lot of those tips along the way as we work with decorative stitches and twin needles and all different parts of this machine. So let's go ahead and get started opening up a fresh, brand new machine. And with this, you can see all that comes with it. It is brand new. The first thing I notice is that it has a hard case in this machine. So I'm pretty excited about that. Foot control is here, power cord separate. I like that they're separate. And when they are, that means I can plug the power cord and usually put it away from me down the back side of my table and plug the foot control in and put it in front of the table. So I've got less cords around me as we go. So having a hard case does make it easy to kind of store away or even travel to some of the classes that you might be taking, or even take it with you when you want to go sew somewhere else other than at home. All right, so we're just going to pull the case off first, and that will kind of come over the top of it. And I'm reaching for it, there it is, the handle that I can just lift the sewing machine out of the box. She's blue, isn't she pretty? So we are going to get into all the different decorative stitches. One thing that you're going to notice, you'll probably notice more when you sit down in front of it, is how much space is in this machine. We're going to talk about it. There's a full 8 inches between the needle and the inside. So if you're a quilter, you're always looking for that extra space for the bulk of that quilt, especially if you're machine quilting it. If you're doing free motion quilting, this machine can handle it. The Pfaff has a built-in walking foot. They call it an IDT feature. So you don't even have to buy a walking foot. It comes fully installed on the machine. All you have to do is bring it down. You'll probably love it once you start using it. You use it on everything. So we do have the buttons on the front, easy to access all the stitches that are in this machine, and I can't wait to get started. So join me, sewingmastery.com, and check out all the different Pfaff Ambition sewing machines, including this one, the Pfaff Ambition 610.